Hi friends, welcome to Baley Cabin. I'm so glad that you are here. I'm Kristin and I am unboxing my Hygge box for December 2020. Have a beautifully packaged box here. It's time to Hygge. I'm not going to be able to pronounce this. Look at how cute those gnomes are. We have our spoiler here, so I'm going to set that aside till the end. Oh, a sweet little tree to assemble. So cute. A little like snowflakes, frosty snowflakes. That'll be so cute in Christmas decor or just winter, right? Sweet. Ooh, Mayana chocolate peppermint mini peppermint marshmallow salted caramel crushed candy canes with 66% dark chocolate. That is just dreamy. Good thing it's mini. Green satchel. Oh, cute. Little wintry branch there. Oh, yum. I want to say pear. We'll find out. Beautiful. Ah. Oh my gosh. Deck the paws. Oh, Christmas socks. How cute. Those are definitely warm and cozy. Adorable. Hygge around the fire oolong tea. Five indulgent biodegradable tea pyramids. I won't open them. You know what tea pyramids are like, right? Well, we need to know what they smell like around the fire. I love it when it's wood stove time. Oh my gosh, it's so smoky. That's delightful. I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but oh my gosh, love that. I have to find something to put those in so they don't lose their smell. I have to say, I think winter is my favorite time of year because I love warm and cozy and soft, and I wish you could feel this hat. It's so soft. Is that a little snowflake? Either way, super cute. I love it. So much fun. We have lights. We have candles and lights this month. There's always one or the other because one of the elements of Hygge is, let's say, subtle lighting. So not bright light, obviously. The little houses or towns that we got last month, I've had it continually lit. I love it so much, and the LEDs last so long. Little star string lights. So cute. using the back. And we're not done. Oh my gosh. Dark chocolate and sea salt cookies. Oh, wow. Biscotti. Made in Italy. These look so good. Ooh, nice bunch of them. Wow, there's so much in here. Okay, so let's see what they have to say. This definitely gives me all the warm and cozies. Gledeleg Yule. I'll look up the pronunciation while I'm editing and put it down here. You know it's here when you can smell the scent of warm spices, pine and juniper. The lights are a clue, twinkling on the tree or glowing brightly outside. Embrace the preparations and nod to festive times past. Acts of kindness capture it. Family traditions preserve it. Gifts come in many forms, a knitted beanie, baked cookies, or an hour of your time. Savor it your own way, perhaps curled up on the sofa under a blanket with a peppermint chocolate bar, decorating the home or stepping out on the porch in the wintry air with a cup of hot tea. However you choose to spend your time, may your season be hygge and full of comfort and joy. So scob. It's the candle. Translates to forest in Danish. I should know that. Encompasses everything about winter and then some. Escape into the forest and feel like you're on a retreat in the mountains surrounded by woody pine trees, juniper, and sunshine. It smells fruity to me, but lovely. Gather around the fire with this cozy combination of smoky tea leaves and warming spices licked by flames of safflower and sprinkled with crushed chili for a hint of fiery charm. Simply let go of the need to do anything else while you are drinking and appreciate each sip. That's a great idea. How many times have you poured yourself a cup of lovely tea, ready to enjoy it, and then you pick up your phone, you turn on the TV, and the next thing you know, it's cold and you have to start all over. Take your time. Mara BC dark chocolate and sea salt cookies. This giant box are delicious cookies made in the region of Tuscany with premium dark chocolate and refined sea salt. Perfect for any sweet and savory lovers, these cookies are best enjoyed at breakfast or as a mid-afternoon snack. Yes, we said breakfast. I can do that. Often the best things in life are also the simplest, like combining chocolate and candy cane. Mayanna's Peppermint Mini features a marshmallow layer and fleur de sel caramel enrobed in dark, rich chocolate and topped with crushed candy cane. Perfect for snowy days or any day. We haven't got any snow yet in Washington. I wish it would hurry up and get here. Let nature be the inspiration for your seasonal decor. Hygge House Snowflake Tree Ornament will add a touch of rustic charm to your space. Dimensional and dynamic, hanging an ornament like this looks amazing from any angle while giving you that coveted wintry feel. Ornaments are not just something you can put on a tree, it is a memory you can cherish year after year with your family and loved ones. The best part is that you get to build this one. And then give your home a touch of starlight with Stern Gonna have to look up the pronunciation of that. I'll put it down below here, but it translates to star in Danish. Scandi-inspired warm LED lights filter through beautiful white wooden stars. Oh, I didn't even notice that they're wooden. Suspended on a single strand for a total of 10 celestial friends. I do get the deluxe box. So the deluxe box is if you really love Christmas, there's nothing wrong with decorating anything and everything. So me. Hang Christmas lights and tinsel outside. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Feel free to get your pets involved to get them in the holiday spirit too. A cute bow or a cozy sweater is a tasteful way to decorate your cat or dog. What about Christmas socks? Yes, these deck the paws socks are a tasteful way to decorate your feet. I always love Christmas socks. I just opened these to put them away. There's a kitty on the other side. And then also stay warm and comfy this season while channeling those Scandi style vibes. Crafted in a soft brushed chevron knit, this stylish beanie features a fur pom and metal logo plate that winks from the cozy cuff. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I can't decide if this is my favorite. It's 1 or 2, right up there. So Hygge to me. Warm and cozy and comfortable and safe. What do you think? I am stuck on this one. I hope you had a good time. If you did, I would love it if you'd hit that like and subscribe button, and I would get to see you next time. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I thank you so very much.